everyone, welcome back to another Flormar Friday makeup video. In today's video we are doing matte lips. This has been a huge trend all over the world and I'm going to show you 3 different Flormar lipsticks you can use to create the perfect matte lip. The first step in creating the perfect matte lip look is by priming your lips. This primer from Flormar is perfect for that because it creates a nude canvas and an even base to apply your lipstick to. The first shade we'll be working with is a dark one. The lip liner I'm using is the waterproof lip liner in number 218. This is a dark plummy shade perfect for winter. And the lipstick I'm going over top with is Silk Matte Liquid Lip in number 15, Pretty Plum. And that is your first look using the Silk Matte Liquid Lipstick. Our second option is a more nudish option. This is a brown nude lip. The lip liner I'm using is number 222 and the lipstick I'm using is a extreme matte lipstick in Terracotta Rose. And this is your second look using an extreme matte lipstick. Our last look is a very nudish peach look, and this look we are using the waterproof lip liner in 226 and also the super matte 202 cream cashmere lipstick. And that is your final peachy nude lip.